Hey guys, it's John again, and today we're going to learn about variables. I haven't showed y'all about assigning variables or anything yet, so let's go ahead and get started the same way I always start, indexing the program. It's going to be index 3. This is going to be the variable program, Python 3.4, Mr. John Hughes. He's a good guy if you don't know him. And then we're going to have the date. Alright, it's not point 14. Alright, so now, first line, we are going to assign a value to a variable. Come on. Alright, so, assignment statement. So we're going to assign the variable animal the value of duck. Alright, so we got a duck animal here. And now we're going to print the value of animal by writing print and then writing animal. Now notice we don't put quotation marks around animal here because animal is not a string. Animal is a variable. And when we print animal, it's going to print out the value of animal, which is duck. Alright, so to give an example of this, let's add a string to the variable. Add a string to the variable. Okay. So let's say print. What do we want to do with this duck? Well, let's hunt it. Okay, so let's hunt. Come on. This keyboard is evil. Let's hunt the duck. We're going to hunt that duck, and we ain't going to stop till we get it. So let me put in our little input trick here. I'll tell you about this later. Don't worry about it. We're still going to go over it, I promise. Alright. And now let's run it and see what we've got here. F5. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. F5. Here we go. Okay. So let me see if I can. Here we go. Okay, so now we can see the interpreter and the script here at the same time. Of course, the blue's the interpreter, and the idle window over here is our script. So first of all, we assign duck to animal. Now this statement right here does not actually do anything over here in our interpreter. This is just the assignment statement. This happens in the background. It just says that animal now has the value of duck. So our next one, print animal. And here it is. We printed animal, but it doesn't print animal. It prints the value of animal, which is duck. Okay? So then we added a statement to it. So let's hunt animal. Let's hunt animal. Again, it prints the value of animal, not animal, which is duck. Now if we put quotation marks around this animal right here, this animal right here, it's no longer a variable. It would be a string, and it would just print out duck. So let me show you a few things here. I got time. I can show you what I'm talking about. So let's see, print. Well, first, okay, so animal equals duck. We've got that stored in our interpreter. Now, we want to print animal. Prints duck, see? Because animal is our variable. But let's say we print animal with quotation around it. Now, what do you think this is going to do? Well, it's going to print animal. It's going to print the actual word. It's not going to print the value because this is no longer a variable. This is a string, so do not get them confused. If you make a variable, do not put quotations around it when you use it, or you're not going to get the desired effect. Same with the print let's hunt duck. You see? We can do the same thing and put quotation marks around animal and it's not going to perform the desired effect. It's going to say let's hunt animal. So that's just a little introduction on variables. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off there. Not sure what we're going to be going over next time, but make sure you watch it because it is invaluable information. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.